2008 GMC Yukon. Beautiful vehicle. Well, we got done on it for you guys today. Factory converters there and there. Then it was into a single. Then thank God it don't have that third cat. Then we cut off the stock muffler, put 3-inch pipe in its place, and a FLOWMASTER Super 10. If you want it, the link will be in the description. And then we cut the resonator off also and put a 4-inch pipe and a 4-inch tip. 3-inch pipe and a 4-inch tip. Angle cut right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. GMC Yukon XL. What size motor? 5.3?
5.3.
It's got the 5.3 in it. GMC Yukon. Much better. All right. Sound decibel about 104. Again. Much better. Go ahead and back it up. What do you think, man? You like it?
Yeah, it's still nice and quiet and idle. Exactly.
It's just deep, you know.
Yeah, deep.
Those FLOWMASTER Super 10s, man, they never disappoint. They sound really well on these.
I think it's what I got on my Mustang.
Yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside. That was you? That's funny. She's advertising. At the car, what? And this one too. Yukon! That sounds good. Nice and deep. Deep, deep, deep.